Hello for everyone, and today we are going to explain what is a widgets, yes? What is a widget? Let's explain together, let's know. Widget is a very good kind of project that in the Flutter. Widgets doesn't require multiple status. The statement widgets describe as part of user's interfaces by building the consumption of the other widgets. Describe the user interface correct concertly. Yes, building the process. No. If you want to know about the widgets, you can see this kind of YouTube video. But and the StatelessWidgets are useful for part user interfaces. Here, interface you describing does not depend on anything other than the configuration information object itself and the building context like this. Yes, performance are the methods typically called to three solutions. First, the widgets insert tree and the parent of configuration and the when widgets it depends to the change. Okay, let's start. Welcome back to my Flutter series. Today topic are super important, especially if you are new to Flutter. We are going to take deep dive to StatelessWidget that it is, what it is, how it works, and when it use it. Yes. By the end of this video, we clearly understand the difference between stateless and the stateful widgets, and we will be confident using the stateless widgets in your own apps. Kım kazak ya. Kança 가진 소스도. The widgets, the Flutter everything is with your text, buttons, rows, columns, screens, all them are widgets. Yes, of course. Last video, as you know, we explained what is this. Yeah, we already explained it, and as you know, this our project like this. And now I want to say that the Flutter is everything in this widget. Your text, buttons, rows, columns, also the rows and the screens, all of them are widgets. It's like prototype or lining squeezer. Yes, that's it. And the Flutter has two types of widgets. The two types of widgets are belongs to and the StatelessWidgets. For the widgets are that it never change, and the second was a stateful widget. Yes, a stateful widget can change dynamically. Yes. Okay, today we are focusing to StatelessWidgets. Let's say you want to show a title your screen, something like "Hello World," that is perfect stateless because once it shows, it doesn't need to change section wordly. Okay. Let me know if you give real. For example, imagine you print a poster, like a poster that's changing instantly a turn, the same on the hand of your smart screen. Updates the description on. That's like StatelessWidget is created once and stays then forever. And on the other hand, if you had smart screen, you update text depending on the day. Also the weather and the stateful we will cover in the video. Okay, let's start our buildings. Yes, our coding. We have a material that it's a correct one. Let's move to the void main. Here we need to write a run up, and we need to my up and the brackets. here we need to give a class, but the first class it's not all the web class. Yes, my app extends state stateless with widget override. Yes, here is it. Our good connect of this. Key is incorrect. Let's write our build context and the context return stateless and demo. Yeah. Here we need to home двоеточие, home screen, buckets. This okay. Here we need also the screen and like this. Where is the title? I forgot the title. No, it's not a return. Okay. Here we need the title. Return material. Yes. Home screen. We have one mistake. Why? Stateless demo. Okay, let's check. Extends StatelessWidgets override widget build content return materials. It's correct. Home screen. Why here is the mistake? I don't know. Home screen is not gives for it already, so we need to give the class for home screen. Class home screen. Extends and then the StatelessWidget. StatelessWidget. And there is we need to like over white.
After that, main in the first video I was explaining.
Return title.
In this video, we will learn about the material app. This is the widget of the app. It provides material
Okay.
styling, structure
Widgets, building context, and the return scuff. Here is incorrect. Here we need to the scaffold. Scaffold. Brackets. Up bar. Here we need a up bar. Up bar and again up bar with a big letter. No context. Up bar, and the title is needs to be inside of the app bar. Title, here the text.
Material up. Then, what is the material up? Yeah, material up, the root widget of the app.
Okay. I think it's correct. Okay, let's move scaffold. Now we need to write. We need a body.
You can draw like that. Material up,
Here we need to write a body. Center. Center, and here we need to child. Child text. Let's write like this. This. This is a state. Widgets. Widget.
I will explain scaffold. In the scaffold, upper.
Okay.
Yeah. What is it?
Widget. And here we need to style. Add the style.
Optional like buttons or icons.
Style.
Part of the application. If you
text decoration.
New application, you should
text stylize. Text style. Font size. Font size 24. 24. Yes, that's it. Okay, let's breaking it down. My app is our root widgets and the stateless widget. The building is method or returns our widget of the outer shell of our app. Inside the we pass the home screen, and the home property is also the defined widget style home screen that is return scaffold. Yes, inside of the scaffold we have a app bar. Where is the app bar? Inside of the scaffold. Yeah, here. Inside of the scaffold we have an app bar, and the body of certain centers widget. Yes, centers widget, and here we have a text that is inside the center. There is a text. Widgets are displays a message like, and then now the key thing. None of this changes when the app runs. That is why we use StatelessWidgets. Yes, I understand. None of the changes when the app runs. That's we can use text widgets. Okay. So we should stateless app UI statics. It doesn't matter. Let's show. I will show it. Restart again. You are displaying the fixed text images and the examples. Yes, that's it.
In the first case, I write the money. Yes.
Let's see. Yes, what? This is a StatelessWidgets.
Let's
Okay, that's it. Our wrap in our stateless widgets. It's a perfect stateless content, and it's a simple effect that is a great clean UI decision. It's a UI. Yes, it's a function. Okay, if your UI don't work, change stateless, go with stateless, and in the video next we will explore stateful widgets, which lets your apps run maybe. Okay, if you have a questions, let me show, and I will answer it. If you find yourself needing to change the UI after button pressing, yeah, after button press or format submission, that's your signal to switch to a stateless widget. Okay, that's it. Our stateless widget are. If you want, I can change. This is a new, maybe yes. Okay, let's say new. Here, as you know, as you can see, here is a stateless widget. Let's here write خرجان تولندر. Okay, let's go Control C on a Mac Command C. Okay, and as you can see here we have the my name. That's it. So goodbye. See you. Bye bye.